What's up everyone? This is Joel once again and welcome to my channel. If you are on a market for an action camera and you don't have that kind of budget for a GoPro and you're looking for an alternative camera, then this one is for you. Today we're going to review the SJ8 Pro, which was released a year ago, and it's also dubbed as GoPro Killer. Alright, but before anything else, I'd like to thank Shopee seller Tom Lee. This is where I got my unit for the nice and fast shipping of my items. I ordered the motovlogging package from him, and that already includes 2 extra batteries with it. Of course, memory card, you needed that because the unit itself doesn't come by default with memory card. Is 64 gig, and it got the bumper case. The bumper case, I don't think you need it because if you are going to put the lapel on it, somehow this part right here is preventing you from opening the area where you can insert the USB Type-C connector from the lapel. So I actually not use it. And it also comes with the dual battery chargers, which is really helpful. I would suggest that you get this also if you can. And of course it comes with the lapel itself and the Telesin helmet mount, which is really nice. Would really recommend you getting one of this kasi sobrang bilis lang siya. I have 2 helmets and I can just transfer this mount from one helmet to another without any problem. All of this unit cost 10,999 piso na lang, 11k na siya. However, if you are on a budget, you can get just the basic unit. It comes with all the mounts that you needed for motovlogging. I was actually skeptical at first in buying SJ8 action camera. There's a lot of action cameras in the market, and I watched reviews on YouTube. I was originally aiming for a GoPro Hero 8, which costs around 20,000 ish right now in the market, but because due to budget constraint, I ended up buying the SJ8 Pro. I have realized that if I buy a GoPro camera, I'm gonna need all the rest of the accessories. Like I need a lapel, the adapter for the mic cost 3,000 alone, and then the mic and the GoPro Hero mod and other accessories. Of course, if it's a GoPro, so I think if I'm going to complete the whole package or the whole thing, it's gonna cost me around 30,000. So might as well, if I can get an alternative GoPro camera, then like save money, then why not? So I ended up watching YouTube reviews, and after watching some reviews and watching the quality of the videos, I ended up buying this. So is it really worth it after a year that this action camera was released? Is it still worth it to buy this camera? Let's go ahead and find out. Now I'm not gonna go into technical details of this unit because there's a bunch of them already on YouTube that you can watch, and also the unboxing, it's also in YouTube already. So what I'm gonna go ahead with you is my impression and some of the test results that I have. Right, impression with the packaging when I got it, I'm not really impressed. Ewan ko, it's just me maybe, but if you're going to compare it with some other action cameras in the market, even some cheaper action cameras, packaging that I've seen. They're really good and they really look premium. I think with SJ8 Pro, which is the flagship camera from SJ the fonts, the designs doesn't look right. It's just for me though. So now let's come to the actual unit itself, which is this one. So actually this unit, maganda naman siya. If parang yung build niya is really good, I would say. And I like it na meron siya mga indicators, just like this one, the power button right here, and then meron din siya sa harap ng display, and right here at the back na LCD touchscreen. It is really nice. If you're gonna compare it with GoPro, is out of the box, hindi siya waterproof. If you're going to go ahead and use this for action on the beach or diving or whatever, then you're gonna have to need the underwater or waterproof casing, but it comes already with the unit itself. Unlike GoPro, out of the box, umulan man, if you're riding on a bicycle or motorcycle and umulan, there will be no problem kasi out of the box waterproof na siya. I think what's really important is the performance, kasi nga, di ba, you are on a budget, then you have to, I guess, sacrifice a little bit of that. So let's go and check out the test videos that I made using this. Alright, so now you have seen the test videos that I made. I hope that really helps you in deciding whether you still wanted to purchase this action camera. But if you have limited budget like me, then I believe this camera is good. I was not disappointed. When it comes to video files naman, although it shoots in 4K, but that doesn't really matter to me. It's not a big deal. It's because if I'm going to use that kind of video resolution, that only means na magiging sobrang laki ng file and mahihirapan din akong mag-edit on my old laptop. So I think realistically, ang the best na gagamitin ko na resolution for camera na merong image stabilization would be 1080p 60 fps. Thank you so much for being with me, for watching this video. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Joel and I'm interested in motorcycle related contents, travel and gadgets. So if you're into that, please make sure to like and subscribe this channel, and you can also hit that bell button para updated ka for the latest videos that we make. Thank you so much. Peace.